Can you please choose any other image from our 5 a.m. club? Any other image?
Rabbit.
Rabbit.
Yes.
Rabbit and tortoise. We covered this story already. Rabbit and tortoise. Okay.
Yes.
Both kept a race. Okay. Who is going to win the race like? Who is going to win the race like? At last, who is going to win the race? Rabbit and tortoise. Everyone aware this story, right? Who is going to win the race?
Turtle.
Tortoise is going to win the race. What is the reason for that? Tortoise never going to stop. It is keep on in the movement. It is keep on in the progress. Even slow progress is also progress only. So the real success will come with the small steps consistently, not with the big steps, big random steps. Rabbit, what it is doing? It's running very speed, and then, oh, tortoise is very far. That's why I can take some rest under this tree, like it's going to take the, it's going to take. Once a tortoise crossed, then again it's going to run. Rabbit, what it is doing here, it is doing random efforts. It is doing random efforts, not continuation. But the tortoise is in consistency, slowly moving like that. So finally, who is going to win the race is tortoise is always going to win the race. Okay, small steps consistently. If you are going to do that, then success by default is going to be there. Small steps, at least 2 minutes action, but consistently you require to do that. Automatically, success by default is going to be there for you. That's why I told, if you want financial freedom, you are not required to save lakhs of money. You require to save at least 1 rupee every day. Remember that. Sir, I want to fitness. I want to improve my fitness kind of thing. You are not required to spend hours of time in the gym. At least 2 minutes every day. If you want to learn some new technology, you are not required to spend 10 hours, 20 hours to learn that. At least 5 minutes every day. But every day is very important. Slow progress is also progress or not? Slow
Yes,
progress
sir.
is also a progress or not? Is also a progress only. Okay. Yes, long yes, you are in progress. Yes, long yes, you are in movement. There is no chance of failure, friends. Once you stop, that is the starting point of your failure. Wow, what a great example, rabbit and tortoise story. What we learn from our childhood onwards.